Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to add text in Canva design in just a few simple steps. If you are searching to add a text box in Canva, you come to the right place. But before we jump into it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I've also added some useful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them. Alright, let's get started. To add text in Canva, first of all, open the Canva app on your computer or go to the Canva website. Once you're on Canva, create a new design or open an existing one where you want to add text. I am going to add some text to this design. Once the design editor opens, look at the left sidebar and click on Text. You'll see 4 different options. Add a heading, add a subheading, add a little bit of body text, or you may also see the Add a Text Box option. Click on any of these options to insert a text box into your design. Once added, type your desired text in the box. Once typed, you can click and drag it to move it anywhere in your design. You can use the toolbar at the top to change the font style, adjust the font size, change the font color, align the text, add effects like shadow, outline, and many more. If you want to add a paragraph or multiple lines of text, I recommend using the text box. To add it, click on the Add a Text Box button from the text section. After that, type the text you want to add to your design. Like above, you can also change the color, size, and more. In this way, you can add text to your Canva design.